everyone and welcome to Janice Creative Flowers. In this tutorial, in this video, we are going to learn how to make flower chrysanthemum. So chrysanthemum is a scientific name given to the flower. It must be having some local names in various places. I do not know any of those. Yeah, so I am just calling it by the scientific name chrysanthemum, and they come in different colors. Like one is this pink and another is like dark pink, or like pink plus purple, something like that, pink on the darker side, then off-white and yellow. So maybe more colors, but I know about these 4 colors. So these are the beautiful flowers. So we are going to learn how to make this flower today. So first we will see the materials required. The very first thing what we need is shapes. We need to have all these shapes. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 shapes. So first, the very smallest one. All are small, all are same, but with the different diameters. Like this is, the diameter is 3 centimeters across. From here to here, if you see, or this, 3 centimeter. So how to draw this? First, draw a circle with a diameter of 3 centimeters, and then make every line to 30 degrees. You can take a D, which we use in geometry. So and make a point for 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and something like that. And just draw lines. So divide the circle into 12 parts and then make these shapes. These shapes you can make. Okay. So this is the first is 3 centimeters. We need some 3 cuts of this. This is one. Second, here the diameter is 4 centimeters. And then same process, make a circle, divide it into 12 parts, and then make these semicircles, 4 centimeters. Okay, I'll keep it here. 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Here I mentioned 3 cuts, but no, this is for another flower. Not for this. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. This is the diameter for all the petals. And the first petal, 3 centimeter, we want 3 cuts, and rest all we want 2 cuts each. So that is how it is. We'll see. Okay. Then I want a green floral tape, a flower making wire. This is called flower making wire. Thread, glue gun, and this molding rod. This is called molding rod, or some people call it soldering machine. So this is what we want. This is a tool attached. The rod is only up till here, so I have attached the tool. So these are the materials required, and now the very important thing is starched satin cloth. This is the starched satin cloth I have here. So if you want to learn how to starch the satin cloth, I have a video on this on my channel. You can go through. So these are the things required to make this flower. So let us get started. So now I'm going to draw all these shapes and then cut it. So on the back side of the satin material, not on the shiny side, on the back side, take a pencil and draw the shape. In this way, and then make lines so that you can see where the proper cuts are. So now I'm going to cut it. Okay, now I will cut the shape right on the marking. I'll complete this entire circle and get back. So I'm completed with the cutting. Now I have to give a center cut. How you do that is fold this petal into like this. This is how you fold it and give a cut exactly at the center. Fold it on the opposite side and again give a cut exactly at the center. So that makes a plus sign for you. Now you have to give small cuts here towards the center, neither like this nor like this, towards the center. See, my scissors is directly aligned with the center. A cut like this, then like this. Do it all over. Yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to do this for all the shapes. So once I complete with all the shapes, I'll get back to you. So here I'm done with all my cutting work and I will show you one by one. Now this is the smallest one, the 3 centimeter diameter. I want 3 cuts of it. Then the 2 cuts of 4 centimeter, 2 cuts of 5 centimeter, 2 cuts of 6 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 cuts of 7 centimeter and 2 cuts of 8 centimeter. 7 and 8. And then I have one more thing here. So this is very simple how it is. How I'm going to just show you how it has to be done. Just take this long paper. Okay, sorry, not paper, the satin cloth, same satin cloth, and draw something like this. And if you see something like this, and cut it. Okay, this much long. I'll tell you why it is required. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 8 centimeter, and then this. Now I have to give a shape to all this. Okay, the cutting is done, center cut is given for all. Now I have to do molding. So this is my molding rod and this is the tool. I have kept it for heating. It is already hot. And now let us start with molding. So yeah, I'll start with the molding part. I'll keep this aside. First I'll take the biggest one. Any petal you can take. I'll start with the biggest one. Take a sponge. It's easy for you to keep the petal, and then okay, now on the shiny part, not on the back side, on the shiny part, you have to hold your tool, the diamond type of tool, vertical like this, and exactly at the center you have to place this and pull gently. See, this shape is coming. Same you do on all the petals. I'll show you for this. Yeah, saw the shape? Yes? Okay. Now I'm going to do that for all the petals and get back to you. So I have done with the molding part. All the petals are here. I have arranged them. These are all the petals. This is how they look after molding. Okay, now take the flower making wire and I have just made 4 folds of it, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take the flower making tape and drape it. Okay. Now this one, using thread and glue. First is glue. Apply some glue on the cloth and drape this around. Apply glue as per requirement because it should not come out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just for being extra sure, I tie it with the thread this much. Tie a knot, cut the thread, again drape the green tape. It's looking like a bud, the starting part of it, or like a bud part of it. Now take the smallest petal, the smallest 3 petals, the first 3 cuts. Okay. Sometimes you need to give a little big center cut so that it can pass through it. Okay. And apply glue. Slowly pull it up. Place it near. If required, add some more glue. Second and the third petal. Apply glue. Pull it up. Okay, see, so the smallest 3 petals are done. Now I'm going to next 4 centimeter one. The 3 centimeter ones are done. I'm going to the 4 centimeter one. Okay, the another 4 centimeter one, I have the 2 cuts of 4 centimeter up till 8 centimeter. Only the first, the 3 centimeter cut is 3 petals, rest all 2 2. Yeah, okay, so 4 centimeter is done. Now I'm going for 5 centimeter, the next one. There is a little cut over here, but that is not a problem. That's not going to make any difference, because when flower will come up, it will sit in place. Yeah, though there was a cut, that did not make any difference, because when we pull the flower up, it sits in place. Okay, the next one, same of 5 centimeters, apply glue and right. Okay, now I'm going in the same ways. I'll do for 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and I'll get back to you. Here we go, everyone. Our chrysanthemum is ready. Yeah, I'll show you the light pink flower and dark pink, both are ready. So this is how we make chrysanthemum. So everyone, thanks for watching.